Okay, hi. I'm making this video for this wristband adjustment. You see how loose it is? And it's big on my wrist. And most of the wristbands, they come in big size like this, only one size. So I have an idea how to make this fit on your wrist and not too big and they don't fall off. So what I'm going to do is have a nice sharp scissor to cut it, and I'm going to have some super glue that would put together again, and a magazine to put the band and the glue together so it won't stick to the table or anything else. So now you see the band. It's a nice one, but it's just too big. So I'm just going to size it down a little bit. So I'm going to cut it small piece. Okay. Just cut a small piece. There you go. Now it's cut. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is measure my wrist to see how much I want to cut it. And so this is where I want it. Then I mark it with my finger, and this is how big I should cut the band. So now I'm going to cut this. Okay, so now the band is smaller, see? So now basically I'm just going to try to glue this together and make sure this straight line. So I'm going to open the glue, and then I'm going to glue the two ends together. Okay. So now I put the two ends together like that. Then we'll let it dry. Then this extra piece I will glue on top of that to make sure that helps support it from the inside. So I will add some glue in now. Okay. So a little bit glue messy, but you got a magazine, whatever that you can have that weighs, and just wipe on it. And now we just gotta wait for it to dry. Okay. So this is what it looks like right now, but wait till it dry. Okay. Okay, it's enough. Okay, so now you see the wristband. This is the original side, and this is the new one I just cut. And the original side so the original side is like this. It's loose all the way up here, see, for my wrist. So it's kind of big. So after I cut it, which is this one right here, and make it shorter, and now I can wear this. And look, even I expand it, it doesn't rip or anything. See how hard it is? And now it fit. Look at it. So it fit me perfectly. And that's how you adjust the wristband, by making a home adjustment like that on any wristband. Okay, thanks for watching.